Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys already seen in the title, this is going to be a collaboration with a brand, luxury fashion rentals. They reached out to me last week and they wanna do a collaboration. So this is gonna be me showing you the bag that I chose. This is not me showing, you know, like I purchased this bag. So basically, when I read the email that she sent me, I was going through it. I feel like it's a smart idea because this brand, or this whole, you know, this whole brand is mainly focused on renting a luxury item bag. So at first, while I was reading the email, I was kind of 50-50 if I want to do it or not, because I'm the type of person, if I like the bag, I will, you know, I will ending up buying it. But for this company, for example, that's why the bag that I chose is a Chanel. So I'm gonna explain my side why I agreed with it. So I've been eyeing the Chanel, the classic Chanel medium double flap, or I think the single flap as well. So I was thinking of buying that on my, you know, birthday, like splurging my money on my birthday. But at the same time, it is actually a lot of money to buy just like one handbag. And you can, like, you know, go to the store and test it out, like you can put your stuff in there, but you cannot, like, you know, go home and just, like, you know, test it out. And with the bags, I'm really particular with my bags. Like, I want to be able to at least, you know, put something in my bag. And so I agreed to collaborate with them and said, you know, like, yeah, I was scrolling to the website. So if for you to rent out a bag, so you can go to the website. I will leave everything in the description box below, plus I will give you guys a 25% discount code. So if you guys are want to decide to rent a bag that you like, they have a lot of Louis Vuittons, they have a lot of Chanels, they also have like Dior, they have Fendi, they have everything. So just make sure to go to the website and choose what handbag do you want to try out before even committing to buy the exact bag that you want. So I choose the classic, this is the Chanel double flap classic. I was trying to find the black one, but at the meantime it was rented out. But if you see rented, you can add it to your wish list, and you know, they will send you an email that is already available. But anyways, this is the classic medium double flap Chanel and brown. So I wanna see the black one, but like I said earlier, it was rented out. And you can actually choose two options. You can do 14 days of renting the bag or 30 days. So they let me rent this bag for 30 days so I can enjoy this Chanel bag for 30 days. At first I'm still, up till this, you know, moment, I'm kind of scared because I don't want it to get paint or ruin this beautiful bag, because it's really in a fine condition. Right here, I will show you what if you rent the bag. So they will send you a reusable box like this. So when you open this, it goes, you graded with the luxury fashion rentals and hello enjoy. So this one is already, you know, already paid this for me to send after 30 days. So this one, like the return labeled, and also to these, because when I received it, actually my husband received it last, believe, Wednesday. I came early Wednesday. He doesn't need to sign because I already signed in at the UPS website. Like, I pre-signed it because I was at work when, you know, when the bag arrived. It actually comes with this plastic bag and also the Chanel dust bag right there. And after, you know, after like 14 days or maybe 30 days, you just put the bag back in the dust bag and you put it back in this big plastic, Ziploc plastic, and you can put the prepaid label and just drop it off at your local UPS, and you know, that's it. So you have to make sure, because when I received it, it was like this. It has like a zipper. Let me just close this. With, where was the here, I got it just like this, with like this little yellow I cannot pronounce this name, and I don't even know this name, but yeah, I just cut it with my my scissor. And then when in the bag, when I opened the bag, it came with this one right here. It says, read before removing. Please remove this tag and enjoy. Returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached and the product is sent back within 2 business days of arrival. So it says, the following are not considered normal wear and tear: denim stains, makeup stains, ink stains, and food stains. So that's why I'm kind of scared to, you know, like even touch this bag, because I don't want it to get dirty. I don't want it to get, you know, get like makeup stains, coffee stains, anything, because it's a beautiful condition. So I never touched a Chanel bag in my life before, so I seen that, like, you know, like a lot of videos and unboxing. But we're gonna take a lot of pictures today, so I'm probably gonna insert a photo, or you can follow me on my Instagram and also follow them on their Instagram, so you guys can you know, choose like what kind of bag you guys want to rent soon, if you know, if you want. But I'm gonna give you guys like a details of this bag. So you can use this bag to go like this, or you can slide it right here. And then in the side it has like a little slit right here. And then, all right, let me show you what's inside. So it's like has a zipper. I'm not gonna use this because I don't know what I'm gonna put it here, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. And then open it. It says the logo right there, CC, and then there's Chanel right there. And here you have another space here, right here, and then the main compartment is right here, and it has like 2 whatchamacallit, another slit in the back right there. So I'm gonna try to put my stuff, like my normal stuff, if I go out. So I have my Gucci GG card case here, and then let me see, I'm gonna put my AirPods here. Let's try to put my AirPods, my TikTok, I have my lip gloss and my lipstick here, right here. I'm gonna try to put it here. And also I have like a $20 change, and of course alcohol wherever you go, or even hand sanitizer wherever I go. I have to have one, and my wipes right here. This is my Huggies wipes. So I'm gonna see if this is worth buying in the future, if I even think of buying the, you know, the Chanel. So I'm just gonna close this up. So the details is silver right there. It's silver. Okay, I noticed that there's a, I don't know if this is normal, but the stitching is right there. I don't know if that's normal, but I'm probably gonna send them a picture or email them on what's going on there. Yeah, right there. So thank God I noticed that. Okay, and also, yeah, like I said, the details are silver, because like I said, I never touched a Chanel, and I'm kind of scared to even like use this. Like maybe after today, probably gonna put this back on the dust bag and in the box, because I'm kind of scared. But this one as well in the side. So that's just like the silver right here. It actually holds pretty decent amount of stuff. And if I can put like my camera, of course, and also my phone. Let's see if I fit my phone here in the other slit. I hate when I put my phone here because of the cover, but yeah, I can put my phone here. So when you close it, you just go twist it. You just gotta twist it. There you go. There you have it. Right there. So you can do this, you know, you can tap handle, or you can do like shoulder bag, or you can do like this. go like this, or probably just like that. But I'm gonna insert a picture of me later on today, because we're gonna take a picture. I will insert it here or here, and I'm gonna post it on my Instagram so you guys can follow me there. And like I said, if you guys it's actually for me at first, while I was thinking about it, like renting a bag, like, you know, why just buy it? So here's my side of, like I said, my story. So if, like I said, if I'm planning to buy one of these bags, I want to be able to, you know, feel and see and, you know, like experience if I really want this bag. Is it really worth buying? Is it really worth purchasing? And you can just, you know, think about if you go to like a special occasion, like a date night, or you're going to the cruise for your boyfriend or husband, or, well, not now because the coronavirus, but anyway, that's beside the point. And if you're planning to go on a vacation, you know, you can either, you know, rent this for 14 days or 30 days, not even just go on a vacation, you know, celebrating something special like wedding anniversary, or, you know, just any anniversaries, or like, you know, you got a raise or you want to celebrate with your girls. So I think for 14 days, that's kind of like, you know, good. I'm thankful that this brand reached out to me and they let me experience, like, you know, having this bag for 30 days. And yeah, so I'm probably just gonna try to keep this in the dust bag and, you know, not scratch it, because like I said, I'm really scared to even carry this everywhere, because, like, you know, I don't want to like ruin this beautiful bag. Like, this is a great bag. And like I said, if you guys are interested, you can use my 25% off discount code, and also follow them on their Instagram. So anyways, let me know if you guys are thinking about renting a bag. I know it's kind of like new, and if you made your mind that you want to rent out a bag, you can use my discount code for 25%, which is Tawney25. You can use that after you put your information, and when you check out, you can, you know, use my code so you save money. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will update you guys soon on my IG pictures. You know, just go ahead and follow me and follow them as well. I will put my Instagram in the description box below, and their Instagram or somewhere here in the screen. So anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.